Very good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher Revisions, and also very good morning. Jai Shri Ram. Good morning. Can you tell me your name so that I'll call you with that name? Jai Shri Ram. Yes, too. So we are doing a fast revision, and we are left with only two chapters, statistics and probability. So after these two chapters, again I am going to do the fast revision with some examination questions, right? So in all the chapters I have explained the examination questions and examination patterns, right? Shreyas, wow, yeah, you told me before also. Shreyas, good morning. So let me, without wasting lot of time, let me start my lesson. Shreyas is there, one more person is available online. Okay. So it's one of the important chapter. Every chapter I am telling you like that only, but this is important, also easy chapter, right? It is an easy chapter and important chapter, and not too much brain work is involved in this. Not too much brain work involved in this, very simple, and we have to do only three things in this. Without much explanation, I will start my lesson. So we have only three things. One is arithmetic mean, and the other one is median, the other one is mode. So three things you have to learn: mean, median, mode. These three are called averages of the data. Data is of two types: raw data and group data. Raw data we have already done in 9th class. Now in this we have to do with the group data. So in the examination, if it is given average, don't get confused. These three are averages. Okay. So mean, sometimes it is also called arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean, median and mode. So mean, I will just give, it is just average only, the sum by frequency, total frequency, sum by total. There is no change in this. Median is middlemost, a simple meaning of these things. Mode is most repeated. You can remember these three things just like this. Mean is the sum of all the observations divided by number. Same, whatever the formula is there for raw data, same for group data also. Shreyas, I am a retired principal. I have retired last year. 4 months back, I retired from a CBSE school as a principal, and right from my career, I was teaching maths and physics of higher classes. So instead of sitting ideally in the house, I am taking some online classes like this. My wife is also English teacher, okay, and our family is full of teachers. My son is an English teacher, right? My brothers are English teachers. So we are all completely family of teachers. I am 61 years old, right? So I think this is enough for you. Right. So mean is average sum of the observations by total observations, right? Median, middlemost, mode, most repeated. So there is no change in that. Now the thing is we have to find mean for a question. So let me take up an old question, previous year examination question, right? Okay. So I am taking an examination question. I didn't get your question, Mr. Shreyas. So I read your comment, but I didn't get. So let me take up an examination question, previous examination, board examination question, and then let me do that question. Okay. So 2002, 2001, 2005, there are some questions. Okay. Let me do one question directly, right? Is a easy question. Question 2002. This type of question is not there in the arithmetic mean of the data is 14. Arithmetic mean AM is equal to, I write AM is equal to 14. Find K. Directly I am just giving you one previous year examination question. Okay. So then he has given x. X is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And frequency is equal to 7, K, 8, 4 and 5. This is the data given. Okay. So xi is yeah, sure, I have done already quadratic equations examination questions just around maybe 8-10 days back. Fast revision quadratic equations I have done some examination questions only. Again I am going to do in my second round of revision. So this is an examination question. X means mid values. You can think like in the examination, if it is given like this, x is nothing but mid value, right? Some people will say xi also. Xi, x both are same. I starts from 1, 2 and go on. F means some people say fi. Even if you say f, there is no problem. Okay? F is the frequency. That means if you understand this like a 5 marks 7 students got, 10 marks K students got, 15 marks 8 students got, like that you can understand. So now 10 students, which mark K we have to find out. This is K, you have to find out. Okay. So now here we don't know sigma f, this is sigma f. Mean formula is sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is also okay, right? So now this is the formula we will apply, and then we have to find out fxi, fx. So I will rub this question mark. Fx, fi xi also some okay, some states will use fi xi. I am not writing fi xi. 5 sevens are 35 and 10k. 15 8s are 120. 420 is 80. Fi 25 is 125. Okay. So now you have to, this is sigma Fi xi, right? So now we have to add this. So many students will do the mistake at this place only. 7 plus k, 7k, like that they will do, but we will do 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 5, 24 plus k. 24 plus k is 24 plus k is sigma f. Now let us add this also. We will add this 35. I will write here 35, 120, 80, 125. Most of the students will get mistake here also. If they don't put it like this, sometimes you may be getting mistake, because examination means some sort of pressure you will be feeling. So 5 plus 5, 10, 4, 6, 14, 16, 2, 3. One more time you add it from downwards, 5 and 5, 10, 3, 11, 13, 16, 2, 3, correct. So it is 360 plus 10k. This is sigma Fi xi. Okay. So now we have got sigma Fi xi. Now we got everything. Let us substitute this. Mean is equal to how much? 14 is equal to sigma Fi xi is nothing but 360 plus 10k and 24 plus k. So this is a simultaneous equation in one variable, because one variable is there, k is there. You can do by solving simultaneous equation. Cross multiply. So then how much? 14 into 24 plus k is equal to 360 plus 10k. So 14 into 24, 4 56, 28 plus 5, 33. I am doing with my mind, it may come mistake, okay. So let me check it. 4 4s are 56, 5, 2 4s are 28 plus 5, 33. So 14k minus 10k is equal to 360 minus 336. So now 4k is equal to 636 and k is equal to 9. So this is a very important question. Same type of question is there in our textbook also. Okay. So don't expect that questions will come only from the textbook exercise. So this is a previous examination question. Find the value of k. Okay. So in this class intervals are not given. Class intervals are not given. Directly xi is given. If class intervals are given, you have to find out xi. Okay. So now this is a direct method problem. Direct method, sigma fx by sigma f is direct method. So the same question can be done by using the deviation method also. Let me do one more question of this. So this is an examination question. Whatever I have explained you, this is an examination question. Okay. So one more question I will give you. Example 2, xi is given, fi is given, xi is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fi is 46, f1, f2, 25, 10 and 5. Okay, the mean is equal to 1.46. Find f1 and f2. So this is the question. This question is there even in the textbook also. Find the missing frequency. Even in this is also an examination question. This is also an examination question. Yeah. This is also an examination question. Previous thing is also examination question. This is an important question. Find the missing frequencies. So mean is given. Mean is equal to 1.46. Xi is given. Fi is given. Okay. So Fi in F there are two things. Okay. F1 is missing. F2 is also missing. And those two frequencies we have to find out. Same procedure. Previous question, you got only one variable. This question, you are getting two variables. That means simultaneous equation in two variables you have to do, right? So now, in this, he has given the total also. Total also is given, right? So now, if you add up all these things, what happened? 46, you have to add 46, 25 and 40 and 5. I will put it here, 46, 25, 10, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 16, 2, 4, 8, 86. So 86 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 200. So F1 plus F2 is equal to 200 minus 86. So F1 plus F2 is equal to 4, 114. This is first equation. When there are two missing frequencies, definitely you should get two equations. Now, linear equations in two variables. We got one equation. We will be getting one equation using the mean. Okay. So now I will rub this. In the examination you can keep it as it is. This you have to do it in a rough column. So now our next column is Fi Xi you have to find out. Okay. Fi Xi you have to multiply 0 into 46 0, F1 into F1 F1, 2 into F1, 2 F2, 3 into 25, 75, 4 into 10, 40, 5 into 5, 25. Now you have to add this also. So I will add only these three things you have to add. They are in the line, so don't need to put it in the rough column. So 5 plus 5, 10, 8, 12, 14, 140 plus F1 plus F2, sorry 2F1, F1 plus 2F2. This is sigma Fi Xi. So now mean is equal to formula, mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So how much? Sigma Fi Xi is 140 plus F1 plus 2F2 by sigma Fi is 200. You have to write 200. 200 is given. Mean is equal to 1.46. So cross multiply it by 1. So 140 plus F1 plus 2F2 is equal to 200 into 1.46. So decimal will go 2 zeros and 2 से multiply करना है. 6 2 are 12, 4 2 are 8 plus 1 9, 2. So F1 plus 2F2. You send 140 to other side, 140. So then how much? F1 plus 2F2 is equal to 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 4 5, 1. So this is second equation. So now here we got one equation, here we got two equations. Okay. Good morning. Second last exam. Okay, that's fine. I hope you have written all exams well. So do all the examinations sincerely. Put your sincere efforts for all the cycle tests, pre-board examinations, so that you will come to know your difficulties, so that you can focus on your difficulties, right? So now we got two equations. These two equations you have to solve. F1, F2 you will be getting. I will just do it for you very fast. F1 plus F2 is equal to 114. If I subtract it, what happened? F1 will get cancelled. 2F2 minus F2, F2 is equal to 152 minus 14, 12 minus 4, 8, 4, 3. So F2 is equal to 38. We got very easily. Okay. So now we got F1, F2, and put this F2 value here, so that you will be getting F1. F1 is equal to 114 minus 38. So 14 minus 8, 6, 10 minus 3, 7. So F1 is equal to 76 and F2 is equal to 38. This is an important question. This is a board examination, previous year examination question. Okay. So don't worry. You find out your mistakes rolled in your examination. Okay. Whatever the mistakes you are doing, you don't do it again. Okay. Board exam only one time. Now this year onwards 2 times are there, but you have to complete it in one time. So in your life, board exam will come only once. Think like that. Okay. So pre-board examinations, no problem, even if you do mistakes, because to attempt board examinations sincerely, pre-board examination cycle test will be conducted. So it's an examination preparation. So from this only you will come to know. Okay. You will come to know how your preparation should be. Now this is a examination question. I will do shortcut method also, that is a deviation method, and that also I will take a board examination question. Okay. So board examination question, because I am working on mean, so I will take a mean question only. Board examination questions, I will take mean only. Yeah, one more board examination question. This is also an important question. Example 3. Today this is my example 3. The mean of following distribution is 54. So mean is equal to 54. Find P. This is also missing frequency. Okay. The question is class 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100. This is class, and frequency is also given. Frequency is 7, P, 10, 9, 13. Okay. This is the question. This question has come in 2006, right? Don't feel don't feel Rudraksh, take it easy. जो हो गया, whatever is over, over. Now whatever is to be done, you focus on that. Okay, so already over, done, your exam is done, over, forget about the examination. And from the examination, whatever your drawbacks are there, your deficiencies are there, you improve on the coming examinations. Okay, today at least 1% better than yesterday, then you are a successful person. At least 1% should be better than the yesterday. That means tomorrow's exam at least 1 or 2% better than today's examination, then always you will get success, right? So now this is a very simple question, like example 1 question today. This is a previous board examination question. Now class intervals are given, frequencies are given. Now you have to find out P. This P you have to find out. We will use the direct method only. We will find out xi. Okay. So in the previous question, x is given directly, but in this question, x we have to find out from the class intervals. So now 0 plus 20, 20, and 20 by 2, 10. That means you have to add both the limits, 0 plus 20, you have to add. This is nothing but the average of the two limits. This xi is average of two limits. That means 0 plus 20, 20 by 2, 10. Again 20 plus 40, 60, 20 plus 40, 60 by 2, 30. So this is 30. Again 40 plus 60, 100 by 2, 50. Okay, because the size of the class is 20, the height of the class is 20, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 20, 100. So the size of the class is 20. So here also 20, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 20, 50, 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 20, 90. Even if you can 80 plus 100, 180, 180 by 2 is 90. So both are same. Okay. Right. So now FIXI, and then you find out this. Okay, I am not doing it because this I have already done it. Okay, same like example 1. So using the example 1, I will show you. This is example 1. So xi is given, FIXI you find out, like this you find out. Sigma f is equal to, in the place of k, p is given. So put up like this and then you will get the answer. So I am not going to do this question again. Okay. So now I will be doing the deviation method. So I don't think deviation method I will do now because already my half an hour is over. So I request all of you to work on mean direct method for the missing frequencies. Okay. So now let me go to another deviation method also I will tell you, and then I will pack up for today. Deviation method, that means shortcut method. I will take a big question because bigger values need a shortcut method. Now whatever the values are here in this question, the values are very small, 7, 10, 9, okay, 20, 30, these are very small values. So for this type of numbers, small numbers, this direct method is fine. Sigma fx by sigma f is okay. But the bigger, if these things are bigger, then you have to use shortcut method. Shortcut method, it will be easy to manage the bigger. So I will just give you one question. Okay. 100 to 100 to 150. This is class 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350. So 350 to 400 and 400 to 450. So this is class interval. Okay. In the examination, please do the lines using the scale and pencil. Make it attractive. So now frequencies Fi. Okay, 24, 40, very big values, 33, 30, 22, 16 and 7. So now let us write xi, x, that means mid values of these two. So xi is the average of these two limits, 100 and 150. So 250, half, right, 125. Okay. So now 50 is the size of the class. 50 is the size of the class. 150 plus 200, 350. So it is equal to 175. So plus 50, 225, plus 50, 275. Okay. Plus 50, 325. Plus 50, 350, 375, I'm sorry. 375 and 425. Say now, if you do the direct method, 24 into 125, a very big multiplication. For such questions, this shortcut method, that means deviation method, will be very much useful. Okay. Very big multiplications are there, 40 into 175, 33 into 225. These are very big. Okay. For such questions, this deviation method is useful. Now, for here we have to put 0 somewhere, assumed mean. Exactly in the middle somewhere you take, this is 0. You make it 0. That means, who is that? So you have to keep somewhere assumed mean, right? A. That means A is equal to, I'll write here, A is equal to 275. That means we are assuming one mean. We are assuming one mean from x, from the mid values. So better you take in the middle. You can take anywhere, you can take any one, 125, 175, 425, any one you can take, but always better in the middle. Okay. So then you write all the above ones. Above ones are -1, -2, -3. Down ones 1, 2, 3. This is called deviation. Okay. So that means, because it is in the ascending order, above 0 minus numbers, below 0 positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Okay. So how you got these things? I will just give you formula. A is equal to x minus A, not A. So here x minus A by height, height of the class. Okay. So now you take x 125 minus 275 by 50. 50 is the class interval. So this is how much? Minus 50 by minus 150, I am sorry, minus 150 by 50 minus 3. You got it. Okay. Now second, how you will be getting? 175 minus 275 by 50. 50 is the class interval. So this is how much? Minus 100 by 50 minus 2. Okay. So this is how x minus a by height of the class. So we will be giving you these values. So I think this is enough. I'll rub this also, right? I'll write here x minus a by d is equal to x minus a by height. Okay, this is d, deviation. Now next thing is fd, f into d. So what is f into d? F is here 24 into minus 3. Okay, 72 minus 72. 40 into 2, 80. See, easy multiplication. 33 into minus 1, minus 33. 30 into 0, 0. 22 into 1, 22. 16 into 2, 32. 7 into 3, 21. Okay. So now you have to add these things. You have to add this. So this will be sigma fd. You have to add this sigma f. Okay. So now I will write the formula. The formula is equal to mean is equal to a plus sigma fd by sigma f into height. H is the height of the class. Okay, this is the formula. Now we got a is here. So let me write in the place of a 275 plus sigma fd. That means you have to add all these things. I will add up all negative things. 5, 11, 18, minus 185. Okay. Here I will add these positive things also. 5, 7. So this is positive. So minus is more. So minus 185 minus 75. 5 minus 5, 0. 18 minus 7, 11. So answer is minus 110 by sigma f. You have to add up all these things. So this is nothing but 200. 7, 9, 7, 9, 15. Okay. So let us add all the things. 4, 7, 9, 15, 15 plus 7, how much? 15 plus 7, 22. 3, 5, 8, 11, 15, 17, 172. Okay. So 172 into 50. So if you simplify this, you will be getting mean. Okay. So this is how you will be yeah. My voice is usually slow, but I am using high voice, but still I will follow you. I will try to speak loudly. A very, very important question. Very, very important question. Everybody should learn this question. This is a deviation method or shortcut method. Shortcut method or deviation method. Okay. So all of you try to do that question. Maybe addition subtractions में थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो सकता है, but फिर भी ठीक है. So then in today I have completed statistics only mean. Okay, now I have to do median and also mode. These two are also important, right? Because statistics may you will be getting more marks. So tomorrow I am going to do median and also I will try to do more also, because I am working on board examination questions, so that it will take time, right? Now again I request, if you are okay with my teaching, please like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Bye bye.